Hi, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Zoom meeting time limit. So, actually, there are too many people that want their Zoom meeting to be in more than 2 hours or 1 hour, but they can't. The maximum that they can get through is 40 minutes. So, how to do that? What I need you to do, and just to explain the problem, I'm here. I fill all the blanks and I want to set the time from, for example, from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. So that message appeared to me. Your Zoom Workplace basic plan has a 40-minute time limit. So what we need to do, we need to upgrade to Zoom Workplace Pro for what? For unlimited meetings. So once we click on upgrade now, because we really need more than 1 hour or more than 40 minutes on the meeting. Well, here we will go to the billings and plans. For me, I will choose monthly. Alright, just to set an example, and then we will click on continue, and we will. What I need you to do is to set all the informations right here and fill all the empty blanks, and then once you are finished, you can go into continue to payments, and you will be upgraded to Zoom Pro Workplace, and you can also increase the time limits of your meeting. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching. See you next video.